2016 Ford Mustang 4-cylinder turbo. Comes with a factory gigantic cat right there. Then it comes with 2.5-inch pipe. Then we added more 2.5-inch pipe, deleted the resonator, had an aftermarket system on it. Then 3-inch all the way back, and we added 3-inch muffler delete pipe in their place, right there, into his existing tips. Right there. We will let you guys hear it in a second. Give it gas. Oh, that's sexy. Again. Oh, I love that sound. Back it out straight. Or you want him to back it out, whatever you want. That's how it should sound. Okay. I like it.
Inside the cockpit of this 2016 Mustang. Let you guys hear it.